Hello guys, welcome back. We'll show you how to install and set up the Marshall Bluetooth application on your Android phone. Open the Play Store on your phone. Tap search twice and type Marshall Bluetooth. You can see the Marshall Bluetooth application from Marshall Group AB. To distinguish it from fakes, look for 5 million downloads plus 94,000 reviews. Hit the install button and wait. Those values I showed are minimums. Tick that you agree to the end user license agreement and tap next. You can skip the newsletter and data sharing. Tap allow for the Bluetooth pairing request with your headphones. Pair them with your phone when they are turned on. Remember, it's easier to be paired with your phone before this whole process. Pair them by holding the button, going to Settings, Bluetooth, and tapping them. Double-click the button to enter pairing mode. That's all I wanted to show you. Goodbye.